Welcome to the Hunter of Dividends YouTube channel. I'm Kyle Hunter, aka the Hunter of Dividends. Back again to talk to you about another dividend stock. This is a dividend stock that's been growing its dividend here nicely for many years in a row. It's really fallen off here lately. The stock price has quite a bit. We're talking about T Rowe Price Group, ticker symbol TROW. Take a look here at the chart for 1 year. We start out a year ago at about $177 a share, sets an all-time high at 224.56, and less than 6 months later, we're down to 138.96. T Rowe Price at this point has really sold off very hard. We know there's been lots of question marks in the stock market here lately. Asset management firm that's done a good job long term. They've usually traded at a industry average or even higher PE because this is a well-run company. At this point, T Rowe Price is kind of getting thrown out. I understand that there are plenty of headwinds to the stock market now. In fact, I do think the stock market probably dips a little bit more, maybe even a lot more in the future. And that's okay to long-term dividend investors. It gives us a better price. I'm looking at the long term. I hope you guys are as well. So let's look at T Rowe Price and some of the numbers here about it. Current price, as I record this here on April 14th, 2022, 138.96. The current yield, 3.45%. Simply Safe dividend score of 94. Excellent Simply Safe dividend score. And I think that's tremendous because I love the product there at Simply Safe Dividends. A really very insightful and thorough product. Dividend growth streak, 35 years consecutive growth here. This is really impressive streak. The PE ratio for this year's expected earnings, 11.88. Payout ratio of 34%, which is really excellent. They're doing a good job covering it. The dividend should have no trouble continuing to increase throughout the years. The 5-year average dividend growth, fantastic, 15%. Morningstar's target price is $195. The CFRA target price, $165. Now, I don't think this means everything, and I don't like to be one of those guys that only looks at target prices, but in general, the analysts do like this stock. I think this is a pretty good stock here at this price. We'll pull up the dividend, Simply Safe dividend look at T Rowe Price. As I bring this one specifically up, you can see I actually have already bought in at this at a higher price. I'm averaging in, dollar cost averaging in. I'm happy to do that long term. I think this will be a good winner. Look at the annual dividends per share. Excellent growth there. You see here, they believe this may be undervalued. If you look at the average PE ratio, it's definitely under what it has been. The dividend is higher than it's usually been because the price is so low at this point. A couple things I wanted to point out here too. The return on equity, 32%, operating margin, 49%. Excellent management here from T Rowe Price. Certainly asset managers are a little bit out of favor right now, but dividend investors are usually happy to grab out of favor stocks. In this case, I think the T Rowe Price is a stock that is simply undervalued at this point if you're a long-term investor. This is a stock that maybe it faces headwinds here in the near-term future, but as we look, this thing has really come down very hard in the last 6 months. Just from January, it's come from 200 or so down to 138.96. We're only in April. It's priced in a lot of bad stuff here as a stock market. So I'll take my chances with T Rowe Price. I think this is a good long-term dividend winner. 3.35%, 3.45% current yield is excellent. I love the payout ratio. And like I said, Simply Safe dividend, what that is they're scoring it to see if they think that this dividend is safe or not, or whether it would be cut. So Simply Safe, they do a good job with this, and they feel like this is a very safe dividend. The company is doing a good job covering it. So in this case, I think T Rowe Price is a good one to keep dollar cost averaging into. I'm happy to see lower prices. I think long term this will be a good one. So Let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing a lot more dividend stock analysis. If you have a specific one that you want to hear about or get my opinion about, certainly drop it in the comments below or send me a message on Twitter at Hunt Dividends on Twitter. You can follow me. I'll put that in the show notes as well. Also, my dividend book, I'll give you a discount for that. And the discount will be in the show notes below here on YouTube. So again, thank you for tuning in. I will be doing some more of these shows here coming up soon. And we'll check you next time. Everybody, enjoy buying these dividend stocks at a lower price. We're looking to buy future income. Have a great day.